Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. On this episode, we're going to explore the magical world of DIY hydrating face mists, specifically crafted for women over 40. We'll delve into how the summer heat can really take a toll on your skin and why botanical face mists can be a true game changer. So stay tuned as we journey through some fantastic recipes and tips to keep your skin glowing and refreshed all summer long. Let's start by talking about the importance of hydration in midlife, especially during the summer. As we know, our skin's ability to retain moisture diminishes as we age, making hydration more crucial than ever. When you add sun exposure, heat, and continuous blasts of air conditioning into the mix, it can spell disaster for your skin's moisture levels. This is where hydrating mists come into play. They're more than just a quick spritz of water. They can revitalize and nourish your skin anytime you need a pick-me-up. Now let's dive into the benefits that go beyond simple moisture replenishment. Hydrating mists containing natural ingredients can offer a myriad of skin-loving properties. For instance, rosewater is known not only for its lovely scent, but also for its hydrating and soothing properties. It supports skin elasticity and helps manage redness. Lavender is another fantastic ingredient. It's renowned for its calming effects on inflamed skin and contributes significantly to skin renewal. A few spritzes of lavender-infused mist can really help in maintaining a balanced complexion. Lastly, we have peppermint. Known for its natural cooling properties, peppermint can refresh your skin, making it feel invigorated and awake. It's perfect for those hot summer days when your skin feels parched and overheated. Plus, the refreshing scent is an added bonus. So if you haven't already, it's time to embrace these botanical wonders in your daily skincare routine. Your skin will thank you for it. All right, let's get to the fun part, making your own hydrating face mist. It's surprisingly easy and very customizable to suit your individual skin needs. Here's what you'll need: rose tea, lavender tea, peppermint tea, some vegetable glycerin, and a preservative to keep your mist fresh and effective for longer. Firstly, you'll want to brew your teas. Each of these ingredients brings its own special benefits to the mix, so don't be afraid to personalize your blend based on what your skin needs most. Once your teas are brewed and cooled, you're ready to start mixing. Grab a clean 2-ounce spray bottle and pour in your teas. If you're leaning towards hydration and soothing, you might want to use more rose tea. For calming inflamed skin, go heavier on the lavender tea. And if it's cooling and refreshing you're after, peppermint tea should be your go-to. Next, add a few drops of vegetable glycerin. This ingredient is excellent for attracting moisture to the skin, making your mist even more hydrating. Finally, don't forget to add a preservative to your blend. This is crucial for extending the shelf life of your mist and ensuring it stays fresh and safe to use. If you don't have a preservative, keep it in the fridge and use it within a week. Once all your ingredients are in the bottle, screw the lid on tightly and give it a gentle shake to mix everything together. And just like that, your DIY hydrating face mist is ready to use. Whenever your skin is feeling dry or needs a little pick-me-up, give your face a few spritzes. It's a great way to keep your skin hydrated on the go and can even help set your makeup for a dewy finish. Personalizing your mist is all about catering to what your skin needs, so feel free to experiment with different ratios and even other beneficial teas or essential oils. It's your creation, and it should work best for you. Coming up next, we'll talk about some additional tips to take your skincare routine to the next level this summer. Stay tuned. Now that we understand how to create our own hydrating face mist, let's take it a step further. I want to emphasize the importance of turning this simple act into a self-care ritual. Using your mist can be more than just a quick spritz. It's an opportunity to create a soothing and grounding experience. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a hectic day. Instead of hurriedly spraying your face, take a moment to pause, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Feel the cool mist on your skin and let it be a mini break that helps you reconnect with yourself and nature. I discovered the power of this practice quite by accident. One particularly stressful day, I reached for my mist and decided to take my time with it. I closed my eyes, took a deep breath, and let the calming scent of lavender wash over me. To my surprise, I felt an immediate sense of peace and clarity. Now, it's a cherished part of my routine. And as the seasons change, so can your mist. In the summer, you might want a refreshing and cooling blend, whereas in the winter, you might prefer something more hydrating and comforting. Adapt your mist to cater to your skin's evolving needs year-round. Making this shift from product to ritual can add a layer of mindfulness and care to your daily routine that's incredibly enriching. Don't just use your mist, savor it. Next, I want to invite you to join me inside my mini course on crafting your very own wildflower mists. This course is designed to take your DIY skills to the next level by learning how to create personalized mists right at home. I'll walk you through step-by-step lessons, providing a detailed workbook, and sharing exclusive recipes that I've developed. By the end of the course, you'll be well equipped to make these delightful botanical mists tailored perfectly for your skin's needs. The best part is, creating these mists at home is not only fun but also incredibly beneficial for your skin. You'll get to handpick the ingredients that work best for you, ensuring that each mist is packed with all the hydrating and soothing goodness your skin craves. Plus, there's something truly special about using products you've crafted yourself. If you're excited to dive deeper into this beautiful form of self-care, I highly encourage you to enroll in the course. You can find all the pricing information and the enrollment link in the show notes. Let's embrace floral hydration and elevate our nature-based skin rituals together. Stay with us, more to come on plants, flowers, oils, and whimsy. As we wrap up today's episode, let's recap some of the main points we've discussed. Hydration is key, especially for women over 40 during the hot summer months. We explored how hydrating face mists can revitalize your skin, the benefits of ingredients like rose water, lavender, and peppermint, and how you can craft your own personalized mist at home. We also talked about transforming the simple act of using a face mist into a meaningful self-care ritual. Remember to stay hydrated, grounded, and connected with nature as you go through your day. All the links mentioned in today's episode can be found in the show notes. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. This is your host, Carrie Scharf, signing off. Take care and see you next time.